Uptown Swing, Level 1, Charleston. I'm Bryce, and this is Stacia.
Hello. Yeah, you guys did great. This was week 1, so we focused on the basics. So we're going to show you some stuff. We're going to have our backs to the camera so you can try it at home if you need a reminder, and I'm just going to get on your side. All right, so we started out with some touch steps, if you remember. So we'll just show that. 5, 6, 7, 8, a touch, step, touch, step. If you could get these arms in here that are oppositional, that is great, but it's extra credit right now. If those are throwing you off, you can just hold them by your side, and we'll come back to the arms later. So from there, we were kind of nailing it. We added in a rock step. Rock, step, step, touch, step, rock, step. And then we progressed little by little by adding some little kick step.
Rock, step, kick, step.
There you go. And then we added a kick in the front. Kick, step, kick.
Step.
And then the last one we added was a double kick. Rock, step, kick,
Double
kick, and kick,
kick.
step. So if you want homework, this is good homework for you to try.
Do it a million times.
We should show you from the side view that way in my hand, just in case. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, kick, kick, and kick, step, hoop. We were also talking about keeping our hips back instead of letting our pelvis forward.
Not this.
When we do this.
This.
Nice. Okay, and then we also partnered up. So just some reminders about partnering up. Generally, people are too far away, so we don't have to be touching, but we're going to stand close to each other. Bryce is going to put his hand on my back. I put my arm up. Importantly, with gravity, I'm going to plop. And then we tried that basic with the kicks. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, Can we turn to the side too?
Notice my posture. It's a little forward.
Booty is back.
I'm doing this.
Woo. We also tried a little bit. We held hands and we did single kicks. You could try those on your own. And then we also did double kicks. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double kick. A double kick. You could try these on your own. Then we partnered up and we took our kick steps on the road, single kicks. Rock, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step.
On the road.
And then we did those with a little in and out.
That's right.
Rock, step, in. Ooh. On the in, we feel some compression. And that was all leading up to a move called a skip up, which has that bigger kick at the end. We'll talk about it again next week. But if we do the full skip up, maybe with that basic on both sides.
Okay. Basic.
In, out, big rock step to a basic. And that's what we did. You did great. We'll see you next week.